Newsom, a Democrat, announced during a press briefing that all bars across the state must close up shop and that restaurants, wineries, tasting rooms, family entertainment centers, zoos, museums and card rooms must suspend indoor activities. The governor also announced that all gyms, places of worship, malls, personal care services, barbershops, salons, and non-critical offices in counties on the state's monitoring list had to shut down under the new order. The order affects more than 30 counties which are home to about 80% of California's population. We've made this point on multiple occasions, and that is, we're moving back into a modification mode of our original stay-at-home order, Newsom said during his press briefing. This continues to be a deadly disease. As of Monday, the state had reported more than 320,000 COVID-19 cases and more than 7,000 deaths, with 23 people dying from the virus since Sunday. Los Angeles County, the country's most populous county, leads both the state and the country in number of confirmed COVID-19 cases with more than 133,000, according to the Center for Systems Science and Engineering (CSSE) at Johns Hopkins University. In March, California became the first state to impose a mandatory stay-at-home order to slow the spread of the virus. Public health officials praised the state's quick action, marveling at how the nation's most populous state kept its cases and hospitalizations low while states like New York and New Jersey struggled to contain the highly contagious disease. By late April, Newsom, under increasing pressure, began allowing businesses and activities to resume, citing the state's increased hospital capacity to handle a new surge of cases. Cases began rising in early June and have exploded since, increasing 48% in the past 2 weeks, while hospitalizations have increased 40%. Newsom's announcement comes just hours after the state's two largest school districts, Los Angeles and San Diego, announced they will not reopen for in-person instruction when the 2020-21 academic year begins next month. The districts said they will plan for in-person learning as health conditions allow. Also on Monday, the World Health Organization warns that the pandemic is worsening globally and things won't return to the old normal for some time. The Associated Press contributed to this report.